Announced in September 2018, the iPhone XS and the XS Max made its debut roughly a year after the iPhone X. So what's up guys, welcome to my channel, and in today's video we will take a look at the iPhone XS and XS Max. Is it worth buying right now? Let's get right into today's video, shall we? So it represents fairly moderate update from its predecessor, but in terms of the camera there has been some interesting improvements from the iPhone X. If you are on iPhone X, I would say stick on iPhone X for a bit. It's like we are only 1 month away from the October event, so stick on your iPhone X for a bit and let's see the iPhone 12 announcements, and it is expected that the iPhone 12 will be cheaper. So if you are on iPhone X, be sure to grab some cash and buy the iPhone 12, because I know looking at all the leakers and all the leaks, iPhone 12 will be cheaper than earlier announcements like iPhone XS, iPhone 11, iPhone 10. It will be cheaper, so be sure to grab some cash and go to the Apple Store. So now let's refresh some specification that iPhone X is brought. So if you are on iPhone 7 or iPhone 8 and you do not want to buy the latest iPhone, but you wanna have a bit upgrade, so yeah, this device is for you. This device is really great. This came with 5.8-inch Super Retina HD screen, which is super vibrant, super good, super saturated, and really good outside, as you can see in this video. And it came in 512 gigabytes option 2, but it was only for specific regions. It is not available in Asia for some reason. I don't know why, but yeah, it is not available in Asia, 512 gigabyte model. So at the time I'm making this video, Flipkart and Amazon have a offer on the iPhone XS, not on the XS Max. The video you are seeing is the iPhone XS Max I'm owning, but on iPhone XS, Flipkart and Amazon are offering some great deals, so you can check that out. Link in description, be sure to check that out. So you will also see a small circle 1x written inside it. You can tap that and you will jump into 2x telephoto zoom. If you pinch to zoom, you are engaging a digital zoom which goes up to 10x. In the standard photo mode, by default images will be taken in HEIF format, high efficiency image format, which takes up less space on your phone. So yeah, this is a great feature that iPhone X also include. Now the next thing is video. So video, you will be impressed. 4K 60 FPS was introduced on this device, and 4K 60 FPS, believe me or not, is one of the best video experience on any devices, and especially on iPhone. iPhones are famous for its video recording capabilities, and the iPhone X was the first phone with 4K 60 FPS, and right now also the video recording capabilities of this device is just awesome. The iPhone XS and XS Max can shoot in a number of different video frames rate and resolution. To choose which you are shooting in, this an example of what needs to be changed via the main menu, or you can tap for temporary change, but it won't be changed forever. You will be able to change for the time being. Click on the 4K or 1080p thing, you will be able to change it, but it will be temporary, so you can permanently change it while going into the camera settings of the settings, going into the settings and then to camera settings. Now let's talk about the sizes. This device come with 64, 128, 256, and iPhone XS Max come with 512 gigabytes. So yeah, there is thing that iPhone XS Max come in specific regions, as I said in my video a few minutes or seconds ago. So yeah, as I said that it is not available in all regions right now for some reason, but of course I'm recommending you all to go for the XS if you are on iPhone 7 or iPhone 6 or even on iPhone 8. This device is a great upgrade for you. Like in terms of processor, it is not on if you are on iPhone 8, as it has the same processor as iPhone 10, but if you are especially an iPhone 7 user, yeah, it's a solid upgrade for you, man. Like it's a great upgrade. It got everything for the latest iPhone, and it will be supported for about 4 to 5 years more from the time I'm making this video. So peace out. If you do end up liking this video, if this video was helpful for you, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to this channel for latest tech info, because I do this type of things almost daily. So be sure to turn on the notifications too, and follow me on Twitter, Instagram. My Twitter and Instagram links are down in the description below, so be sure to follow me there. Peace out. I'll meet you all in the very next episode.